Welcome to Fundi Talks Education. As we go into October, we enter the period of examinations, tests, and assessments. And today we're going to be talking to experts who are going to help us and give us some tips on how to get through the very stressful examination period. I'm delighted to have Lee Moodley with me today. Lee's an accomplished CA entrepreneur, so he's been there, done it, and he's going to give us some tips on how to tackle the actual exam paper. Shloni, he's our student and an intern at Fundi. He's recently gone through exam stress.
Yeah, like first and foremost, what you're thinking about is not to fail, but when preparation meets opportunity, you always try and strive through.
So, how do you prepare for an exam? Number one, attend all the lectures. Lecturers are going to give you little tips and insights on what's coming out and what's going to be in the paper. So knowing that ahead of the people that don't attend the lectures, that's going to give you an edge. Number two, prepping for the exam. So prep starts way before the exam day. Understanding the route that you need to take on the day of the exam. So knowing where there's going to be traffic, knowing that you're going to get there on time and you're going to get there in the right frame of mind.
Yeah.
That's very important. Knowing how the exam is going to be structured. So is it 5-hour exam with different styles of questions? Doing those exams in advance when you're prepping for the exam. So do a 5-hour exam or a 3-hour exam in full so that you complete it and understand how your body is going to react. Are you going to get tired? Do you need food during the exam? Do you maybe need to change pens? Is your ink going to run out? And trust me, these things have
little things matter, yeah.
And then exam technique, which I think is the most important. You need to be a mark scoring machine on that day. Working through the exam questions so that you know where the easy marks are and you do the ones or the easy ones first, so that you get those easy marks first. Secondly, stick to your time. So if a question has a certain time allocation, make sure you don't run over. The first marks are always scored in the first 80% of the time, and beyond that, you're going to not get all the marks that you need to get. So move on to the next question.
Yeah.
That's very important. And just making sure that your mind is ready on the day and you understand what you need to do and get those marks that you need to pass.
Yeah.
But there you have it from Lee, the expert on how to tackle an exam paper. I'd love to hear from you on how do you face an exam paper on exam day. Do you have any tips for your fellow students? Let us know. Go to the comment section and type us your tips on how to tackle the exam paper.